Well, I'm sure some of you have been wondering, what kind of toys did I play with when I was a kid? Well, fortunately, my grandfather was a welding artist, and he took a picture of a Bowles Signal Hill front loader. You've probably seen pictures of it in my various channels and stuff, but he modeled a sheet metal front loader for me to play with when I was a kid. This is a fully functional truck. The only thing it doesn't move are the wheels, so I basically had to drag it across the ground. But as you can see, it's actually a pretty fantastic truck, actually. I mean, he did a lot of attention to detail, all the way down to, like, you know, the hinges on the doors, you know, doors open. You know, it doesn't have a packer blade though, but, you know, cardboard boxes and, you know, things like imagination can make it happen. And unfortunately too, you know, got a fully, it's got a little rusty, there you go, a little rusty over the years. Even has, you know, even the trash bin is, you know, fully functional, you know, underbody, or, you know, lower pocket forks, nice hinges, you know, forks. You can see it was like that one front loader that actually has the Cal Sand hook already on it. So for like my entire life, I always thought this was normally how front loaders were. Kind of messed me all up. Cool thing is too, and we'll close this up real quick here, is, you know, the whole, you know, the back, everything raises, just like the old front loaders. Holds itself up so that way the body can stay up. You can see like the cylinders. You know, fantastic attention to detail. You know, a good old classic White Xpeditor cab here. But yeah, I used to put, you know, take like a cardboard box, put a cardboard, you know, take a side off a cardboard box, use it as a packer, then, you know, just put my hand and crush like styrofoam packing peanuts and little pieces of paper and all kinds of stuff. And, you know, when it got full, you know, open it up and dump all the trash out. And I used to make, you know, in addition to the one trash bin that I've got for it, I used to make cardboard boxes into trash bins. And I'd have like a whole bunch of trash bins. So when I was like sitting around in the office waiting to go home, because I'd go with my grandparents to work when I'd come to visit in Southern California during the summer times, and I'd have a whole bunch of trash bins, and I'd empty trash bins into this thing for hours and hours and hours. So we'll get this thing set up and kind of show you how it works here. All right, sorry, it's a little rusty. It's been kind of sitting outside for the past like 15 years, so it's getting a little bit harder to move around. But yeah, so there, and I'd, you know, slide the trash bin onto the forks, and then, you know, just that's how I do it. And then it's a little better at this back in the olden days, but yeah, I'd take my little cardboard packer blade and, you know, just push the trash into the box, and that's how I did it. That's Bill and Toyland. And then obviously, you know, I'd, you know, do that. Open her up. the barn doors here, and then just, dump the trash right out. I'm not going to do it because it's a little windy and I don't really want to deal with it, but so there you go. That was the toys, that and Legos, of course, but this was my pride and joy. I played, like I said, for hours with this thing. All right, let's get another video of this thing. That was for you, Thunderstorm. And you just imagine the back blade. Whoops, didn't see it. Didn't make that pocket there. There we go. And let's get an unloading video. Yeah.